AICC, in conjunction with Board Converting News and Corrugated Today, presents the 2016 Innovator of the Year competition. This year's edition of Innovator of the Year provides associate members the opportunity to showcase their innovations and technology that benefit us through enhanced efficiency, quality, productivity, or safety. And now, the 2016 finalists. Entry number 1, a new HighSpeed Zero Scrap Stacker. In rotary die cutting, the presence of scrap has always been a problem. Never more so than with production intended for food or automated packaging lines. Now someone has, once and for all, done something about it. This innovator created an entirely new type of stacker, which uses multiple unique features to reduce the rate of scrap in loads to well under 1%. That translates into 4 major benefits. Box makers can run their press at twice, or in some cases, even triple the current speeds to convert more thousand square feet per hour. They can reduce setup time to 8 to 12 minutes, creating more run time. Substantially less manual labor is required because there is little to no scrap to be removed. And they will find added gains when the stacker virtually never jams or stops, therefore producing even more square footage in less time. This innovation is the result of 4 years of major upgrades made to further reduce scrap, even at maximum die cutter speeds. Steel fingers were introduced replacing pads. The shaft and bearing systems were redesigned to be more open and less prone to scrap buildup. A full-width ventilated backstop and lead edge catcher were added as a Smart Sync Auto setup design. The innovator states that this new machine, with its many standard features, truly defines the state-of-the-art in rotary die cutter stackers by delivering complex and virtually scrap-free loads at speeds matching the top operating speeds of today's most sophisticated die cutters. Entry number 2, a high-speed robotic palletizing system. This robotic palletizing system uses 2 robots to automatically position strapped or unstrapped bundles. The first robot rotates the bundles to 0, plus or minus 90 degrees, or 180 degrees, allowing the formation of an infinite number of layer patterns at speeds of 25 or more bundles per minute. A second robot then compresses and squares to create an extremely stable layer before precisely placing it on either a conveyor or pallet to form a high-quality finished unit, or bale in the most efficient manner. The capability to handle bundle sizes from a minimum of 8 by 8 inches to a maximum of 48 by 48 inches, and layers from 38 by 38 inches to 56 by 56 inches makes this a system that can meet virtually all your stacking needs. The system reduces labor costs and allows operating crews to dedicate their time to more value-added tasks, such as operation of the host machine and quality control. The system also improves safety by eliminating the need for operators to be close to moving parts of the machine and ancillary equipment during stacking, and eliminates repetitive stress injuries from stacking. One-touch preset recipe management and the ability to store and recall jobs makes the system fast and easy to set up and operate, and adaptable to virtually every job mix, from long runs to short runs, with many changeovers or a mixture of both. The system can be programmed to automatically place slip sheets on desired layers. It can also be programmed to place dunnage sheets directly on conveyors or pallets at 0 or 90 degrees. Tooling can be changed to work with other machines. This innovation improves safety, improves quality, reduces labor costs, eliminates bottleneck for high-speed machines, is sustainable and efficient, has a smaller footprint, and can change as your needs change. Entry number 3, a comprehensive in-press ink management system. With flexographic presses, 3 ink factors are key to achieving the highest quality printing: monitoring pH, monitoring viscosity, and temperature control, which has a dramatic effect on both. This innovation was specifically designed for use in corrugated printing presses. Flexo inks are designed to run at an optimum temperature range of 66 to 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Above or below these temperatures, the chemical balance of the ink will be compromised, resulting in reduced color density, improper drying times, extremes in viscosity. The net effect is a reduction in print quality and productivity. For example, this is what happens to the pH of untreated ink over an hour of use. In contrast, the Innovator system keeps pH at a consistent level. Changes in pH will affect color, viscosity, and trapping. As ink temperatures increase, the amines evaporate from the ink, causing not only the pH to drop, but also the viscosity to rise. Changes in viscosity will adversely affect ink tack levels and flow characteristics, affecting the ink film applied to the substrate. Inconsistent ink film transfer will also plug plates and lead to frequent production interruptions for plate and Analox roll washing. This innovation uses a temperature control center, which feeds individual modular heat exchange, viscosity, and pH monitoring units located inside each print station. Wide temperature shifts can be accomplished in less than 5 minutes, further enhancing productivity. This in-press ink management system minimizes the addition of chemical additives, reducing overall operating costs. Viscosity and pH swings are minimized if not eliminated. Additionally, it provides improved ink drying, faster setups, and a reduction in time spent on wash-ups for more production in less time. A unique innovation, it was specifically designed for use in the environment of corrugated printing presses. Operators can learn its simple operation in minutes. Entry number 4. A high-speed, high-quality digital printer. Until now, digital printing in the paperboard packaging industry was for short runs only. The multi-pass process was too time-consuming and labor-intensive to be affordable or even considered for production orders. Digital technology has evolved, and single-pass digital printing capabilities have dramatically overcome the speed and efficiency disadvantages of multi-pass printing. This new digital technology has the capacity to change the industry. This is a 6-color, single-pass, large-format, production-speed digital printer. The features of this innovative printer include 6-color inline UV printing and curing with 4 gray levels, printing at 360 dpi with quality comparable to litho label production, integrated color management, simple operation. An operator uploads the digital artwork into the machine software, then creates the work sequence and sets quantities for each job. Production costs can be monitored and controlled immediately through the software interface. The patented penning technology uses penning of ink drops for control over drop expansion and penetration. This contact-free printing system makes it possible to print on every type of surface, including Coreplast, corrugated, and foam core, and more, without crushing flutes, missing registration, or having trapping issues. The printer offers speeds up to 60,000 square feet per hour, depending on the artwork. It also offers one of the largest print formats available, 66 by 196 inch print area. Seamless creative switchover, which allows operators to go from one job to the next without shutting down the machine. And an automated cleaning system further enhances the efficiency of the digital printer. The benefits of digitally printing from this machine include no minimum order quantity, no investment in print plates, so creative changes can take place with each and every order or in the middle of an order. This printer makes it possible to offer new marketing strategies that were not cost-effective before. Increased speed to market. There's no waiting on litho or print plate orders. Proofs are production quality proofs with no variance risk. Entry number 5. An automated single process for counting, stacking, and banding. The folder gluer finishes the die-cut boxes in a folding and gluing process. Often, the boxes are then manually counted, stacked and strapped by up to 2 and sometimes more additional crew members. This manual process is very labor-intensive and often limits the speed and productivity of the folder gluer. The narrow plastic strapping has a tendency to damage the surface of the finished boxes, especially when working with high-quality printed boxes. With this innovation, this unit can also turn the finished boxes to create a more uniform load. This is especially important for lock-bottom boxes and others with significant thickness differentials from one side to the other. With this innovation, the finished bundles are strapped by 2 wide parallel bands of thin plastic film, which are sealed consistently by ultrasonic technology. The wide bands put less stress on the edges of the finished boxes and eliminate edge damage from the strapping process. A double dispenser with splicer eliminates interruption to the production process should a material coil empty. As a result of this innovative system, customers benefit from the fully automated counting, banding, and stacking without tearing of the box surface. This solution maximizes the production speed through the specialty folder gluer and eliminates the manual counting, separating, strapping, and packaging processes. This results in higher efficiency, lower labor costs, and significant quality enhancement. This solution brings the efficiency and profitability of an automated folder gluer line to the corrugated converting plant. There they are, the 2016 AICC Board Converting News and Corrugated Today Innovator of the Year finalists. Now, it's time to do your part. Carefully consider the entries, complete your ballot, and make your selection for the 2016 Innovator of the Year.